How to create a Google form. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Search for Google Forms and tap on Google Forms as the first suggestion. Or you can just search for google.com/forms. Select on Go to Form. From here, you can select on a template where you can easily just edit your questions. If not, tap on Blank Form. In the blank form, you will have to create options questions section from scratch. Wait until the Google form loads up. Start off by entering the title of your form. It could be a research party invite or some survey. So just go ahead and write those. You can add description regarding this Google form. Once done, in the first question, enter the question or the query. I'll be typing age. Then at the bottom, to add some of the option, you can select on short answer, paragraph, multiple choices, checkbox or drop down. I'll be selecting on checkboxes. For the option number 1, you can easily create the option for a survey. Simply like that, you can add options up to your preference. In here, you can also add images, videos, sections, text type, files, and more. If it's compulsory, make sure you tick mark the required button. Now to add a section or a question at the side, you will see the option of 2 rectangles. That is your section break. Again, to create a question in the next section, first start off by entering the section name. Then, to create questions in the section, just enter the question and create option for the designated question. Again, you can select the answer type of multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, or multiple. You can also add images, videos, and more. Again, toggle on the required button if it is compulsory. You can easily check for the responses by tapping on the Responses tab. You can also link to Sheet for direct transaction of your data. You can do necessary settings by tapping on the Settings tab. If you wish to change the theme, just select on the Theme option and you can select the color of it, add an image to the header and also change the font of the text. Now for the preview, tap on the eye icon. Now, the respondent can just go ahead and select on any of this option and tap on Next. After which, in the next section, they can again select the option and tap on Submit. To check for the responses, tap on the Responses tab. And this is how the data will be visible for you. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.